End of life wishes. How to talk to your family about end of life situations and what your wishes are. How to make them known. I was I would equate this to my experience in my career and my life. There's sensitive topics. No one wants to talk about passing away, major healthcare issues. There may be things you want to keep private, but those are hard conversations. And there's a book called Eat the Frog First. And the title explains you don't even have to read the book because in the morning when I get up, if I do the hardest thing in my day first, I've eaten that frog, everything else is going to taste better the rest of the day. It's going to be easier. When I have cases that are problem cases, they're complex. Those are the things that I need to address first so that I can get those out of the way and I'm not worried or anxious about them. I feel better. My health improves. I have peace of mind when I act accordingly, when I do those things. I look at end of life wishes in a similar way, even though they're sensitive topics that I talk with people about every day. I maintain professionalism. Certainly, I empathize, but I also make sure that I cover the points that need to be covered in a consultation when I'm talking about the goals of my client if they pass away. And I hate saying the word death. It bugs me. I say, heaven forbid when you decide to leave us, or, those things are tough to talk about, even for somebody who does it for a living. So in a family situation with end of life wishes, I can tell you it's some of the most important things that you'll ever address. To have your family know how you want your health care to be handled if you were in a situation where you couldn't do it. To have your loved ones know, or the person you trust, the people you trust, know how you would like to be cared for and how you would like your finances handled. Are there any legal concerns hanging out there? Who do you want to have your home? Who do you want to have your vehicles, retirement accounts, things like that? That may be something you don't feel comfortable talking with your family one-on-one about. There are situations in families where you shouldn't talk about those things. I would say that's where I come in many times because we're able to sit down and have the hard conversations in a safe setting, in a safe space where we're able to talk about them without listening ears and really make sure that we drill down on what you want and that we implement your goals without prying eyes and listening ears. And we make sure that things are handled the way you want them, legally, financially, and healthcare wise. I'm Greg McIntyre. I'm an estate planning and elder law attorney, and I've done that now proudly for a couple of decades. I would love to help you and your family get your affairs in order and provide a safe space to discuss these things. They're so important to avoid guardianships, to be able to plan for long-term care, to protect retirement, to protect your home, to protect what you've worked so hard for your entire life, and take care of your family. Heaven forbid you should pass away. See, I did it again. So I would offer a free consultation to sit down with me and to talk about your end of life issues and getting those affairs in order. You can take advantage of that. Just give me a call. It's 1-888-999-6600. We will help you get that squared away, or you can schedule directly online on our website. It's mcelderlaw.com/scheduling. Thank you. I know these things are tough to broach. I know there's subjects that are tough to broach, but some of the most awkward and hard things to talk about are exactly what we need to be talking about. So thank you. I'm going to sign off. Until next time, have a great day.